Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to increase, decrease ringtone volumes and other volumes in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the settings of the phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, then go to volume, and here you will see our volume options. First option is ringtone volume, then media volume, then notifications volume, then system volume. Just you can adjust here. You can increase or decrease ringtone volume using this bar. Okay, if you move to the right side, this will be increasing, that is sounds will be increasing, and if you decrease to the left side, sounds will be decreasing. Okay, see here I set it at this level. Then media volume, for this also you can move to the left side for decreasing, move to the right side for increasing. Okay, then notifications also. So in this way you can easily increase or decrease ringtone volume and other volumes in your phone. Also, if you press volume button, you will get this bar and click this three dots, and you will see all volumes here, and here also you can level up your volume or decrease volume. Okay, so in this way you can easily adjust ringtone volumes and other volumes in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.